it to the game, but they won't know me for my overdose. They'll know me
What's up,
for my...
YouTube fam? It's your favorite unapologetic lesbian.
And what's your wife?
She's back.
Hey.
We're back. Yeah, we didn't mean to not be posting any videos at all for like the past week. But, I got pretty damn sick last week to the point where I didn't get out of bed at all. And then shortly after I got it, she got it.
Yeah.
So the whole house was sick, and that was not fun. But we're here now. And since we stopped last night, church dropped this. Y'all already know my ass wanted to react to it. But I made a promise. FJ dropped one as well. So she wanted to do them together. Well, not together, but...
Same day.
Same day. So I've been waiting since last night for this song. And to be technically honest, I've been waiting a lot longer than that because he's been posting snippets and teasers of this song for a hot minute now. If I Was a Truck. So there's no more waiting. Let's get into this reaction. I already love it. I love that guitar riff. I already love it.
There ain't no insurance for a broke car straight. If your heart was a door, guess I'm out that key. Good at walking lines, you know it ain't me. Tend to end up in a ditch with some dancing dates. And these 33s, I'm 101.3. But too damn nostalgic not to ride and sing. Crew cat concert, front row, one girl. Another bottle of wine and 2 Dixie cups. Ain't gotta have 4 wheels to feel like something's missing. But my guitar can fix it. And I'd be better off if I was a truck. Cause by now I done broke down with someone to fix me up. I'm running with a rock slung through my heart. Tires fall, but I still ain't stuck. Yeah, I'd be better off if I was a truck.
I'm here for it.
Same. Can't tell it, but I have full body cold chills. You know the her name escapes me because I don't listen to mainstream like that, but that Laura Laney, I think. Not Laura Laney. The girl with my heart like a truck.
I don't know.
Okay, well, I take this over that song. That was the point that I was getting at.
Okay.
Damn.
Always yelling at this, but still moving forward. Hard like a rock, rocking a bow tie more. Dodging everything.
Whoa.
Always yelling at this, but still moving forward. Hard like a rock, rocking a bow tie more.
I love that wordplay. Heart like a rock, rocking a bow tie.
Mm-hmm.
Dodging everything, trying to run me off the road. Learn a lot about living, a little more about love. I've been a DUI, hard taking that. Hit a mailbox so I can't send a girl it.
I'm here for that one as well.
I have to be. I have to be. That whole... I'm going to take it back all the way to where he said DUI. And I'm just going to play this point again.
Learn a lot about living, a little more about everything. Oh, hard like a rock, rocking a bow tie more. Dodging everything, trying to run me off the road. Learn a lot about living, a little more about love. I've been a DU.
Okay. Even before that, oh my God. And this right here is why this man is legendary and is a living legend and is going down in music history. Regardless if the haters like it or not. This man has not walked the same path I've walked. In any way. But I'm fitting to explain how well that just connected to me. Holy shit.
Rock, always yelling at this, but still moving forward. Hard like a rock, rocking a bow tie more.
My heart is like a rock.
Dodging everything, trying to run me off the road.
Dodging everything that's ran me off the road. What have I dodged in this town since January 4th of 2016?
Mm-hmm.
Learn a lot about living, a little more about love.
Learned a lot about living in this 31 years old. Yes, ma'am. We have known each other since, I don't know, Sunday school. And it took me very little to learn about love to find you. Dear God, and we're not done.
I've been a DUI, hard taking that hit.
I've been a DUI. That was the very first charge I ever got was a DUI. It was either a DUI or a DWI.
Mailbox, so I can't see.
The ironic part about that, my DUI, I took out 2 mailboxes.
Not one, but 2.
Not one, like she said, but 2. Wow. He connects to his fans, y'all. Even if he ain't walked the same path I've walked, he connects with his fans on a whole nother level than I've ever seen an artist do. Mm-hmm. Have you?
And a girl that, even if I did, know it won't get read. So I wrote a song about her in a maroonish tent. Yeah, I'd be better off if I was a truck. By now I'd have done broke down. If someone fix me up, I'm running with a rod slung through my heart. Tires bald and I still ain't stuck. I'd be better off if I was a truck. I'd be better off if I was a truck. Cause by now I'd have done broke down. If someone fix me up, I'm running with a rod slung through my heart. Tires fall and I still ain't stuck. I'd be better off if I was a truck. If I was a truck. If I was a truck. It'd be a Ford.
It'd be a Ford. Oh.
I'm here for that one.
I am too. I loved it. And me and her talked about this prior to doing this. This morning I woke up and realized that in a week, next Saturday, it will be a year since my mama has no longer been with us. My mama was like one of my best friends. You can ask her. Back last year, the only thing that helped me get through it was Built Like This, or Built Like That, by him. It was just the way the song hit me because she, my wife, and our beautiful children knew my mama as Mama Savage because she was such a savage. She was built like that. And then I looked at her and I said, I'm hoping that this song does, this one that we just reacted to, does what that one done a year ago, and I can about promise you it is.
Mm-hmm.
Next Saturday, I'm probably about to cling on to this song more than I've ever clinged on to any song. I'm sorry in advance.
It's okay.
Because I felt every word he said.
Do you need some Cocoa Loves?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you for that, church. Thank you very much. Y'all can say what you want. Say whatever you want. That man is the greatest musician to live since Elvis Presley. And if you guys like this reaction, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.